They told you car prices went up because of COVID and the pandemic. That was only partially true. Here's the real story, and how we can get those prices under control. Car prices in the United States are way too high because the same predatory subprime lending practices that caused the 2008 housing crash didn't stop. They merely shifted to the automobile industry. At Pattern.Power.Recognition, we identify underlying systems that shape our reality. If you visit any used car lot recently, you'll notice you'll hardly find anything for less than $5,000. What happened to all the $1,500 cars? Why would they sell you a car for $1,500 when they can simply hike the price to $5,000 or more and force you to get a bank loan at ridiculously high interest rates? Cha-ching. They couldn't do this in the past because banks refused to make loans on older, depreciated, high-mileage cars. Now, with predatory lending practices entering the picture, they suddenly changed those rules.